Hello YouTube, this is Dom, DaretoBeCreative. Happy Sunday, happy Mother's Day. And first I wanted to say, thank God for moms. We wouldn't be here, and I thank God for my mother. And she's alive, thank God for that too. And for those who have lost their mom, my heart goes out to you because I don't know what I would do without my mom. I love my mom. So my heart is there for you guys who are also dealing with that today. But I also want to say happy Mother's Day to you too. And even for those who've never given birth, a lot of you guys still are aunties. You are nurturing, and so just want to honor the lives, the work that you have done, that you've contributed to other children as well. So welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. And we are here today for a collab. And this is a Dollar Tree collab, which is use those Dollar Tree stickers collab. And so it's a couple of us that are doing this. So you will see the links below. So we've got Lisa, Susan, Donna, and Sheba. And you need to check out all of their channels because I guarantee you, you'll be inspired to pull out those Dollar Tree stickers and bam, go to work. We all do different stuff. And we all have our different styles and stuff, and we trying to be creative each month just to use up some stickers. So this is what I'm starting out with at the moment. Not sure what I'm going to finish up with, but I'm thinking about making some zines. So these are really sticky, really puffy stickers, and my video with the haul in them hasn't been up yet, but you'll see it when it comes. And I just want to show you real quick what they look like. I'm going to use probably this one and some from this one, and some zines, postcards, or something. I don't know. But anyway, I'm just doing this part of the trailer before I dig into these stickers, and they're gone and you don't know what they look like. So that's what they look like before I get into them. And I may pull out some more. But I know I want to work with these, I think. And I do have beside me. I may use some of these as well. There's a ton of puffy stickers at the Dollar Tree you can choose from, a plethora. So anyway, I will come back, show you what I use, show you what I decided to make. So I'll be back in just a second. Okay, so I am back with some of the stuff that I used. I'm going to put this up and then I will show you what I made because there's a lot of stuff. Well, I did use some little bit of glossy accents, some of my Dollar Tree sequins, the one that's out now for the spring with the pineapple, hibiscus, those kind of stuff, flamingos. That's in my haul coming up. And there's gold pin, gold thread, some more of that Dollar Tree twine that was out before. These old Dollar Tree stickers that you've all probably seen. And oh, I did use the whole entire pack, and it was how many stickers? Like 40. I think it was 40 or 50 stickers or something like. I don't know how many it was in this bag. But boom, I used the whole thing. Oh, I didn't use that. Let's see. I used a couple, just one sticker out of these old stickers from last year. The same kind of like the pineapple flip-flop stack. I used one of those Whitmans out of there. First, I used some archival ink. I used some glue dots. Alright, I used this Martha Stewart punch right here. And this Paper Studio banner punch. These Fiscal borders right here, like with the waves. Old punches. And these little circles look like, kind of like bubbles. And then I used my Creative Memories border punch system. This is the Climbing Vine chain. I used the bridge one, the clouds, the scallop. I used, whoops, I got so much stuff everywhere. My corrugated, oh yeah, some of this. And on the stamp set, I just used like the star, the heart, the button. And then I also used, where's the other stamp set? I dropped it or moved it. Lord have mercy. It's another Bo Bunny one. That's a flower off it. I will bring it back in a second and show you. But other than that, I'm going to clean this off and then I will show you. Oh, I'm sorry. And this old paper pad, Hello Sunshine. I got this 2018 from Tuesday morning. But I think that's pretty much everything. I'm going to move this and then I'll show you what I made. So I'll be right back. This is the other Bo Bunny stamp. I just used these two little flowers out here, which I stamped with. It didn't come out too good, but it's okay. So what I did first was I made a zine, which I have done in the past. If you follow my channel, I made a ton of zines, and a lot of them were using Dollar Tree stickers. And I was like, oh, okay, well, some graphic work out, but a lot of Dollar Tree stickers in my zine. So anyway, I thought I'd go back to using it because I can use a lot at one time. So this is my zine that I made. You know, pending the upcoming summer, nice and fun. I took that twine and I used some glue and I just made those words myself and put it out. So if you're not familiar with the zine, Z-I-N-E is short for magazine. We used to use it when I was in a graphics class in high school. And I thought I might want to be a graphic artist. Yeah, I tried to be a career in the world. But anyway, we used to make these. And then, of course, you know, anything to the scrapbook world years later. And I'm like, oh, cool. So it just says hello, and it got all the little stickers there, and these are those sequins, and then that's one of the little stamps. And this is the corrugated paper that happened Tuesday morning, but all the rest of this is Dollar Tree, and I thought it was cute. And the Dollar Tree sticker, and that says hugs and kisses, and that says happy. Flip over, that says high five, and that says joy. Hopefully the lighting is not too bad, but I love the dimension. The whole thing about these things is to make a dimension on it. And then it says bye. So you see how chunky it is. And really these are like ATC cards or pocket letters. You swap these with different people. And one of the things about it is shipping it and then the pieces coming off. I'm going to close my blinds right quick. So what people do is they copy them. Now I go to Office Max and I get mine copied on that magazine gloss paper because I just feel like it looks prettier to me. But that is my original dimensional version. And I'm going to help make words with the light. And then here is the Xerox copy. So if I were to share it, this would, you can still see the dimension of it. You can't feel it, obviously, but you can still see and tell that there's some dimension and texture to the zines and to the stamps and stuff, and not to the stamps, excuse me, to the stickers. Yep. So that is my zine. I was happy to make one of those because I hadn't made one of those in a while. And while we were talking about it, so that's how it looks flat. I always make a couple. So when we were talking about things that we could do, because we were saying on a group on our Zoom last night, this is one of the hardest challenges because coming up with different things to use stickers. So we were going down the list, you know, cards and note cards and pocket letters, all the stuff that we've made so far. And Lisa from Miss Little Scrappy said, you know, embellishments. I was like, oh, yeah, that's right. I forgot about embellishments. I haven't made any of those. So I used the rest of the stickers up to make embellishments. And I used, let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 stickers, or excuse me, 17 puffy stickers on this one. So I decided to use the rest of the scrap paper that I cut up and to make whatever I can make out of them and just to ran out into embellishments. So I made a few embellishments, and here's some of the punches that I use, and the same stickers in the thread and the sequence. So this one just says hello, and of course I will have pictures up on my IG a little bit closer so you can see these. This one says lovely. This one says thanks. Let's see, and then I made some little, these are I think 1 3/4 by 4 1/4, something like that. I can't remember what it was. It says fabulous and elegant. This one says shake it off. And this one says oh snap. So I had fun just making those, and then I still had some strips left, so I made a couple border strips with those borders that I showed you, the border punches and stuff. And this one says today, and I did use that wood Dollar Tree sticker from last year, and this is the one I got from Tuesday morning, but all the rest of this is Dollar Tree, including the bling. Again, you can see how I use that border punch for fist guards at the top right there. Again, this was just ending up the rest of the straps. And again, Dollar Tree bling, Dollar Tree stickers, Dollar Tree sequins, and then the paper and the wood veneer and the thread. And you see that's my Creative Members cloud border punch at the bottom, just to give the edging there. And then I use the Creative Memories border punch, and that's the scallop. And then we have, again, the stickers, the sequins, and that word veneer, and then some bling. Again, this is 6 inches long, so this can go on a 6x6 layout, because again, the pages were 6x6 that I used from the paper pads. I just used what was left over, and I made these, and I thought they were cute. They came out real fun. It was a great way to use the rest of the sticker pad up. And then this is the bridge one. It says "You're the best," and I put that on the left side. Again, the sequence up there as well. Dollar Tree stuff, all that goodiness. And then the last one, "You Are Beautiful." And again, that's a Fiskars border punch. Oh, and you can see in the background is I use the vine chain, and I double layered it there. And on this one too, that was the vine chain from Creative Memories. So that is all of those, and I will have them up on my DaretoBeCreative 1. So let me see, that was 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 5, 6, 7, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So that was, yeah, almost 40. So it's 34 stickers that I was able to use. Never been able to use that many stickers in one setting. So it was really fun to do that, to get that many made, to use that many stickers, a whole sticker pad up at one time, and just to run with the theme. So, yeah. So check out my IG if you want to see individual pictures of these. But make sure you go by and check out the other ladies and see what they created. Be inspired. Play along. I'm having a giveaway. And I will have that video up tomorrow. Because I did not ever post the other end of it. And so for this one, tell me what do you like best? And use it in a sentence. If you like, you know, ice cream, pineapples, sunshades, flip-flops, or seashells. Use one of those in your comment below, or drink, or watermelon. One of these puffy stickers that you see right here. You got to comment on one of those: sunshades, ice cream, pineapple, watermelon, a drink. You know, whatever you see here. One of those puffy stickers. You got to make a comment about it to be entered into the drawing. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, subscribing. Go check out all the other ladies in the collab. All right, take care. God bless, and I dare you to be creative.